Hello, anak! I miss you so much.
I miss you more, Ma.
How are you?
I'm doing great, Mom. So, how's the Ref I got you?
The TV? It's so nice. It's just I haven't explored all the features yet. So high-tech.
I'll send you the guide from their website, okay?
And the phone is just like my old flip phone, but upgraded.
I'm glad you liked it, Mom.
But anak, who's gonna maintain this new aircon?
I'll handle that myself.
But you're so far away. How are you? Anak? Anak! Ay, ulit ko iho!
Great Sam's of Morning po. ProActive Care. Scheduled aircon maintenance po. May I come in po?
Ay, oh, sige.
I'm always here for you, Ma. Love you.
Thank you, anak. I love you.
Ma'am, okay na po siya. Well-maintained.